Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I'm Dr. Asma Mahmood, and lately there have been a research about erythritol being a cause of heart attacks and stroke. So many people from my WhatsApp group of my patients and many other people also, they have been asking me, should we stop taking erythritol? So erythritol is a common sweetener which is used commonly by the keto community because its taste is very near to sugar. In Pakistan, it is not used much because it is quite expensive. Even then, it might be used in combination with some other sweeteners. But my patients who are abroad mostly use erythritol as their sweetener in their cooking and baking, in their pies, custards, whatever, in their coffees, etc. So the question whether it is safe or not is quite important to many people. So the thing is, erythritol is a substance that is naturally produced by any human body. And if you are sick for a long period of time, this production increases many folds. So if someone is chronically ill, they are diabetic, they have a heart condition, their erythritol is naturally too much. And in this research, what they have done, they have basically compiled the data from such patients only. They basically did the erythritol levels of such patients who were chronically ill, suffering from a certain disease, whose erythritol levels were originally very high, and then they saw how many of such people got heart attacks. Now this is a no-brainer that like a sick person is obviously gonna have some episode at the end of the life, isn't it? And the thing is, these patients were not having high erythritol levels because they were eating too much of erythritol in their diet. It was basically high levels of erythritol due to their disease. And very obviously, a sick person is gonna have an end of the life episode either in the form of stroke or like heart attack anyway, isn't it? Plus, if you are taking erythritol to sweeten your cup of coffee or tea, or you are taking a slice of a keto cake or keto pie with erythritol in it, that is not a large amount of erythritol, isn't it? Personally, I think erythritol is a very safe sweetener and you should have no worries while taking it. Still, if you want to lose weight with 100% natural products, then use stevia green leaf. Stevia is a plant, its leaves are sweet, they are 0 calorie and they release no insulin. In fact, they have side benefits instead of having side effects. So we have green leaf powder with us, which is basically dried up green leaves. No fillers added, no preservatives, 100% dried up stevia green leaf powder. You can add it to your teas, you can add it to your coffee. You can even make your cakes and biscuits with them. But the thing is, your cakes and biscuits will become green. If you want your cakes and biscuits to be like white, their natural color, then you can use stevia extract. I have done many videos in which I have shown my sugar levels before taking stevia extract and after taking stevia extract. Once I even sprinkled it on a store-bought sweet dish that had refined sugars, refined oils, and I just sprinkled stevia on top of it, and still after eating that like sugary sweet, my sugar levels fell down because I had sprinkled it with stevia extract. So although I don't think erythritol poses any danger to your health, even then if you want to be very safe, use natural stevia green leaf. So in the comment section below, let me know, have you stopped using erythritol due to fear of heart attacks and strokes, or which kind of sweetener are you using? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.